Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzy with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a package that came in the mail, and I have my son here, Achilles. Say hi.
Hi.
So he was very excited to open this because we took a peek because the package came wet, and I am so glad that Brittany, who is Britt's Crafty Shop on Instagram, also Britt's Crafty Shop Studio, and so she went ahead and put some tape on it, which helped a lot from the moisture. So I did take a peek, and my son was here, and we took a peek together, and it appears that everything is fine. We just looked at the top, and he has been wanting to get into this, and so so this is a DT package for Brittany's shop. If you guys don't know who Brittany is, I will have her linked below. Her she recently opened a Instagram shop, and she is known for her Halloween crafts here on YouTube as well, so I will have her linked below. And I am very excited. She gave me like Halloween happiness whenever I looked at this. So she gave both of us Halloween happiness. But look at this box. It looks like a miniature swap. I love her decoration. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Alright, you guys. Happy Halloween.
Yes.
Happy Halloween.
Okay, you want to take all this shred out?
Yeah.
Here you go.
And put them inside of here.
We have a little letter here, and it says, I think this is yay. Your design team package has arrived. Thank you for helping me share this love and passion. Happy crafting. Hugs and kisses, Britt. Thank you so much, Brittany. I am very excited for this. So, okay, first we're going to start with this package.
Yeah.
And look at all these felt stickers, you guys. We have a skull, we have eyes, we have
the moon,
some owls, some witch feet, boots, we have ghosts, more eyes.
Look at
we have
someone's
stars.
so angry.
We have Frankenstein, and I forget her name, but Frankengirl. And then we have a skeleton cat, some more. Oh, look at this. I love the mummy. The mummy's so cute. This little ghosty is so cute. Oh, we have Halloween words as well. Love the Halloween words. So cute for packaging, you guys. I can't wait to get into this. So let's go ahead and get to the next one. Okay, we've seen these, which are amazing. We have 3 seasons here, and I love the size. Yeah, I love the size of the zipper as well, you guys. This bag right here, wonder what's in here. Okay, so, we did look at these. These are the snowflakes, and let's go ahead and look at them. Okay, so they are hard
looks like a banana.
felt. Yeah. A hard felt in the back, and then the rhinestones in the front, and in black, you guys, especially for Nightmare Before Christmas. I love that. I'm gonna put that with this. That's why she has it here. Here we are. Get with it. Okay, you guys, this is Nightmare Before Christmas, and look at this.
Nightmare.
I love Jack. They're the flatbacks. Yeah, that's Jack. And then, oh my goodness, I love this charm, you guys. She has the purple bow. She has some letters here, which I'm sure spell something out because, wow, look at this, you guys. A Jack bell. I love this. Hearts. And then Sally, is that her name? Hopefully I'm saying that right. But here we go, you guys. Love it. I love the black and white too. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to play with that. That's going to be so much fun. So here are the bat charms. But here they are, and they're metal and silver. Next is this little package. Let's get to opening it. Okay, this little heart container. I love the size of it too because I could reuse it for something. And then in here she has candy corn beads, as well as these like snowball beads, which have stars in them, and this is all Halloween, you guys. I love all the colors. So amazing. So she went ahead and wrapped these herself, so they're all set to go, along with the star button. Next are these candy corn. That was a candy corn bag, which was amazing. Now let's look in here, you guys. This is giving me all the feels right here.
That's so cute.
Hello, I love that. I love the 3-tier different colors, and it's for like a candy corn.
Candy corn.
A little bow,
Right,
and then
here.
okay, and then a little chipboard piece, and then these are from, I believe, Michael's, so amazing to have. And this candy corn, I think it's a little mouse. So that is the next one. Okay, let's move on to the next little package. Okay, there's so much to look at. Next is this one right here. Okay, these cute little mushrooms right here. How cute are these? So that's it right there, you guys. Next is this star. These are little black puffy stars, and I've seen these in pastel colors, but they're fuzzy, you guys. I love the feeling of these. These are very fuzzy, like your fuzzy blanket, and on the back is pure white, so these could be sandwiched together like this to create a dangle, or glue it on flat for your project. I love the texture of this, like something like this, because you can create a scene with it, and then you have texture there, and it just makes your project look so much cuter. But definitely excited to play with that so much. So these are heart pearl with rhinestone. So Christmas right here. I love that. Yeah, I like what you did there. What is it?
It's like a Halloween drink.
Halloween drink, you guys. Show the camera. That's a Halloween drink. There you go. Okay, put it down. That's too close. He gets very excited with the camera. He loves it. Okay, next are these Frankenstein, you guys. Okay, so they're just different Frankensteins.
Frankensteins.
Yeah, this is glitter Frankenstein. This is felt Frankenstein. And then we have a cabochon haunted castle. Another felt Frankenstein with a unibrow, which is so cute. Little unibrow. And then we have a cabochon Frankenstein. Look at that, you guys.
It is a Frankenstein.
I love it. Okay, next is this little cute bag of Halloween goodness. We got some very fun sequins, you guys. These. I love these. I can't wait to mix something up with that. Next are these little pointers.
Yeah.
Little board pointers.
They're just so tall.
So there's that right there.
And a Frankenstein.
Okay, next is the sequence. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh, look how vibrant.
It's a shape.
Look how vibrant that is. Wow.
Looks like a shape.
Look at this. I love that mix. That's such a cute, vibrant mix. Next is this package. I feel like I got a rare.
Coffin!
Yep, there's a coffin.
Coffins.
We got tassels.
Eyeballs.
Oh, look at these blue eyeballs. Right here. Evil eye. Cute coffins in white and black. They have crosses on them.
Cross?
So they're huge. They're pretty big. They're as big as my pinky finger almost.
It looks like slime.
And next are these tassels. They're made out of like faux leather. So I love them. So definitely those will go good with Hey Pumpkin, because Hey Pumpkin has those colors. Okay, let's see what's in here, you guys. You guys. There's so much in here, you guys. Look at
Little
this.
blind bags.
She sent her whole store.
Scary.
She sent her whole
That is for
entire
like a
story,
Ouija board.
guys. There's so much going
Mario
on.
board.
This is gonna be so fun to play with.
Mario board.
Brittany, oh my
Ouija
goodness, Brittany. You picked out some amazing things. Look at that, you guys. Little ghosts. I love them. I'm gonna put them right there so we could keep seeing them. Amazing. I love this. Oh, you guys, I love these jack-o'-lanterns. These are so cute. I can't wait to play with these and make something amazing.
Make some match. You can make some match.
Yes, I can mix and match. And then these ones are the moon and star. I'm not too familiar with, so I'm not sure what to call these. But moon and star.
Moon star.
And then, oh, you guys, this is so fun. Look at this. Okay, so we got a hat. And these are gold, you guys. I love these. A hat, a jack-o'-lantern, or a pumpkin, a little house, a jack-o'-lantern with a witch hat, and a ghost with a witch hat. And in gold, you guys. Okay, let's dig into this. This right here. Wait till you guys see these. Okay, you guys, look at these. These are little zombie men.
Zombies.
And they're all the same. Look at that. In silver. All little zombie men's.
Yeah.
And even the back is detailed. So cute. Next is
And the
this.
kid
Oh my
robot.
god, you guys. Look at this. Little haunted houses, you guys. Love them. Oh, they have a ghost. So this one has a ghost. This one has a ghost. 2 ghosts, I think, or a moon. So cute, you guys. These are gonna look so cute as keychains. Next is these skeletons. Here are these skull heads. And these are beads, you guys. That's gonna be so fun to do some wire wrapping. So fun. I can't wait to play with that. Brittany, this is an amazing package. You sent so much. Okay, the last one is this, you guys. Let's see what's in here. Okay, the next is this ribbon right here. So it's kind of like a banner. It looks like a little banner, which you can hang on any of your packaging. So that's a little banner right there. Next is also a little banner made out of ribbon. Well, they're kind of like ribbon pieces, I think. So look at this one, purple with crosses. And here's this one right here. Little skull and bones. So yeah, these are ribbons. These would definitely look nice hanging together, but look at this right here, you guys. A little ghost. These are different. I've never seen anything like this. So here's this color right here. So these are just trims. Oh, I love this. Look at these spiders, you guys. This is spider pom-pom. Oh my god, I love this. This is amazing. This is my favorite. I love this for Halloween. That is so cute. Next is bat. Oh, I love this one too. So the spider and the bat one, that's my favorite. Oh, and this one too, you guys, the jack-o'-lantern. I've never seen anything like that. And then these huge sequins in the Halloween colors we love. And the last one is this.
Last one?
It's a multi.
Alright, I'm back, Mom. I love you.
I love you too. There's a witch, a cat, a moon, and a bat. So you guys all together would create such an amazing tassel just to look at or I can see this on some embellishment binder or an album. Thank you so much, Brittany. You guys, check out Brittany. She will be linked below. She has an IG store, like I said. And everything here is so amazing. I'm holding it in my hand.
Yeah, they are.
Love the gold, you guys.
Alright, guys, look at this.
Gold is amazing.
Look at the Reset, California.
Okay, so that is all, you guys. Please check her out. There's no business card in here, but I definitely have her linked below. And she is Britt's Crafty Shop, Crafty Owl Studio. So check her out, you guys, and stay tuned for for some amazing projects. And I leave you with these eyeballs. Can you say bye, eyeballs?
Bye.
Bye.